Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Samsung TV and it's giving you a 7-1 error code and you're trying to figure out what this error code is and what you can do to get rid of it. So first of all, the error code itself is basically when you start up the TV, it goes and it downloads the terms and conditions that then it presents to you for you to accept. And if it fails to retrieve these terms and conditions, it will give you this 7-1 error. So what you need to do is figure out why it wasn't able to retrieve them. Now, the first thing that might be happening is just there's a problem with your internet connection. So it tries to connect to the internet to download them and it can't. So you want to check your internet connection. But if that doesn't fix it, the next thing you're going to need to do is actually just reset your TV so that it goes through the process again of trying to download them again. And hopefully it'll work a second time. And so how you're going to do that is you're going to press the home button on your remote. And then from there you're going to go to settings. From there you're going to go to support. From there you're going to go to self-diagnosis. And then you'll have the option to reset the smart hub. When you say you want to reset the smart hub, it's going to ask you for a password. So you enter your password, or if you haven't made a password yet, the default password is 0000. Once you do that reset, it's going to go through the process again and try to download the terms and conditions again. So hopefully this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.